Founder Charles Wells started this bank a long time ago, based on good ethical business practices. His goal was to serve his customers with financial products for a fair price. He must have had the keys to success since the bank survived numerous national wars and just as many financial crises. He did not do this alone. He did and still does have many good, hard-working, and smart employees that earned a good living, took care of their families, and built their own successful careers. Unfortunately, there were some employees that failed to live up to the ethical standards that are spelled out in our value statement. These employees have been identified and removed. Because of their actions, we lost our trust to our shareholders, customers, and employees. That is not who we are, and that is why I am here today to earn your trust again. We must close that ugly chapter and leave it behind us. Those that are tarnished our good reputation are now facing the legal system. Today I want to reinforce the mission, vision, and value statement in this abbreviated version. Our mission statement is to be the leader providing financial products and services to our customers through fair and transparent banking practices. Our vision statement is to provide customers with ethical financial advice for a prosperous investment future. And finally, the value statement. This is where you come in. Our value statement clearly declares to establish lifelong relationships through respect for the customers and employees in regards to ethics, diversity, inclusion, and especially leadership. Eminent psychologist and author Dr. Jim Taylor writes about motivation to change through the 3 Ds. The first is direction. I spoke earlier about closing that ugly chapter that we all experienced. That is clearly not the direction that Wells Fargo wants to go. I have defined the goals for the future, but I want to hear from you. Wells Fargo has some of the most brilliant minds in the financial industry, which is why I ask you, how do you see the direction that Wells Fargo is going? I want you to have a say in this conversation. I have established a confidential website where you can anonymously submit your suggestion. The second D that Dr. Taylor speaks of is decision. I know we have a good company with good people that do good things, and we have a choice. We can dwell on the past, or we can make a conscious decision to start anew. Every day brings new opportunities of creativity. The future is not keystroking on a computer. No, the future is between your ears. Knowledge is power. Knowledge work is analytic and involves problem solving and abstract reasoning, exactly the kind of things required of skilled managers, professionals, salespeople, and financial analysts. Will you make a conscious decision to start every day anew and build a bright future? And finally, the third D is dedication. I make a declaration today to be dedicated to Wells Fargo and the prosperity of its employees. In all fairness, employee morale has been low because of past events, but I'm here to tell you that the future has never been brighter. We have made significant improvements to our communications up and down the chain. We will continue to take the high road and advertise and market Wells Fargo as the reputable company we have always been. We will capitalize on our knowledge power of our employees by promoting from within and taking the best graduates from St. Petersburg College to join our cause. I dedicate myself to your prosperity. Will you dedicate yourself to your own? I will continue to report to you and make progress reports to you, but I want to hear your success stories as well. We will get through this together and become something even better than before. I will leave you a quote from Abraham Lincoln where he said, "Your own resolution is more important than any other one thing." From the Wells Fargo leadership, thank you.